Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about an electric toothbrush that is not working properly. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first, and this will be a tutorial. Once again, the video topic and the video title will be about the following. I will specifically, and I'm going to say this for the last time, I promise, I will specifically be talking to you about an electric toothbrush that is not working properly. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this. I'll be going over 6 simple things that you can try out, and these are sort of universal in the sense that, you know, whether you have this electric toothbrush or a different type of electric toothbrush, you can probably try these out, and hopefully one of them will work. And they are also universal and broad in the sense that, you know, when I say your toothbrush is not working properly, it might mean that the brush head is not spinning, it might mean that it's not turning on, it's not charging, and so on and so forth. These things sort of cover a variety of problems. So without further ado, that was a really long intro, but I'm going to keep each point short, sweet, and straight to the point. So pay attention, take notes, try them out, and hopefully one of them works for you. Starting off with number one. Number one is make sure it is charged. So you might think that it is charged, but in reality, it might not be charged. Maybe you charged it and it should be charged, but for whatever reason, maybe the battery is just not charged, plain and simple. So just do yourself a favor and make sure that it is charged. And in order to do that, you know, there might be a light indicator. So like on my toothbrush here, if I turn it on and off, there's a light indicator telling me the charging level, right? But if you, like how much battery is remaining, so I can see right now that there's 2 battery indicator lights that are illuminated, so I know that there's enough battery, right? But if you don't have a charging indicator or charging a battery level indicator or charging level indicator, just charge it for like 10 minutes, right? Charge it for half an hour, charge it for an hour. Just make sure that it's charged enough to work, and you can at least rule that out, okay? Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is press the on-off button firmly. So maybe you're pushing the on-off button and you think you're pressing it down firmly, but maybe there's, I don't know, toothpaste that's gummed up over here, or maybe it's just an old electric toothbrush, or maybe it's worn out, whatever the case is. Whenever you're pressing that on-off button, if it's not working properly, you know, the electric toothbrush, press the button firmly. So give it a nice firm press. Okay, give it a nice firm press so you know you're using enough pressure to activate the button. And you know, if you're doing that, then at least you can rule out the button being the problem. Simple as that, okay? So press it firmly. Not hard, not mash it down, but just press it firmly, like decently firmly. Okay, moving on to number 3. Number 3 is remove and reinstall the brush head. So most of the time with an electric toothbrush, not all the time, but with most electric toothbrushes, you're gonna be able to remove and reinstall the brush head. So just literally take the toothbrush head off, however you do it for your toothbrush, and then put it back on and make sure it's lined up properly. With a lot of them, you're gonna be able to look inside and see the orientation of the brush head, how it's supposed to go. So make sure that you're orienting it properly and it's lined up properly. And yeah, when you remove it and reinstall it, just make sure it's giving you a nice tactile, you know, feeling. So when I put it back in, it sort of clicks down in place, right? You can see from here, right? When I go from here, it just gets down there in place nicely. So make sure you're installing it like properly, okay? Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is use a different brush head. So maybe the problem is the actual brush head. Most likely your electric toothbrush came with multiple brush heads, right? Remove the old one, try a new one. And if the brush head is the problem in itself, then replacing it with a new brush head will probably solve that and allow it to work properly once again. So hopefully that works for you. Moving on to the next one, which is number 5. Number 5 is use a different charger. Maybe your electric toothbrush is not charging because of the charger, right? So like my electric toothbrush came with a whole bunch of components, a whole bunch of extra things to use. You know, as far as I remember, came with multiple handles, multiple brush heads, but I know it came with 2 chargers, so it has 2 chargers, right? So like you can try a different charger, and if the charger is the problem, then trying a different charger will hopefully solve that problem. Yeah, if the charger is the problem in itself, then trying a different charger will hopefully solve that problem. So try out a different charger, hopefully that works for you. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 6. Number 6 is wait a few minutes and try again. That's it, literally. Sometimes you just have to wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes there might be a glitch. It's technology, right? It's an electric toothbrush. It's technological. So sometimes there might be a glitch or something like that. And the best thing that you can do is just wait a couple minutes, wait like 5 minutes and try again. Sometimes it just needs to sort itself out. So you can just literally wait a few minutes and just try again. And hopefully that solves your problem. And that's basically it. Hopefully one of these things works for you. There's many different things, but hopefully one of them works for you. Yeah, and that's it. Hopefully you can get your electric toothbrush working properly once again. But that's basically it. That's it. That's basically all that I have to say. I hope that you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the content. I tried to keep it relatively short, sweet, and straight to the point. And with that in mind, to continue keeping it short, sweet, and straight to the point, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.